Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to talk about bicycle and best bicycle within 15,000 rupees in India. So first of all, you should know what type of bicycle you require. There are three type of bicycle. One is road bicycle, second is mountain bicycle, third is hybrid bicycle. So you should know which bicycle you required. So if you talk about mountain bike, it is having thick tires and it is having handle slightly upwards compared to the road bike. It's made to ride on a rough surface like mountains or bad roads. Second type of bicycle is road bike, which is having very sleek tire and usually do not have any suspension because it is made to drive on a flat surface, flat roads. Third type of bicycle is hybrid bicycle, which is a mixture of mountain and road bike. It is having medium thickness of tires and it is usually having suspension in the front wheel only. It do not have a rear suspension. So now we are going to talk about the bicycle which is best under 15,000 rupees. So based on the reviews and ratings on many websites, I have selected three best bicycles, in which first one is BT Win Rock Rider 340. That is a hybrid cum mountain bicycle. It is a lightweight bicycle which have 15 kg weight and it is having aluminium body which has lifetime warranty and painted with 3 coats, so durability of paint will be very good. It has 80 mm of fork suspension which is front suspension. It doesn't have any rear suspension. It has 21 gear, that is 7 into 3, and it has gear setup from Shimano, which is very good brand but with basic model only. In this price range you will get only basic model of Shimano gear set, that is okay and we cannot complain about that. It has double V type of brake which is very good and comfortable. Second bicycle is Frog Panther. Frog is a very good and very known brand, and this Panther bicycle came with Shimano Turley TY500 gears. That is also entry-level gear system, but in this price range that is good only. We cannot complain about that. And one good advantage in this bicycle is brake. It is having front and rear mechanical disc brake, and in this price range you will not see disc brake in bicycle. This cycle came with alloy handlebar which is very comfortable and wide enough so you can ride your bicycle very easily, but this cycle is having steel frame. It doesn't have alloy frame like Rock Rider 340. So overall it is a very good package under 50,000 rupees. So third bicycle is Montra Backbeat, which is actually best in these three bicycle, but it is right now not available to purchase. So if you can get this in local market, that will be the best. It is having Shimano gear set as well as it is having aluminium frame, aluminium handlebar. Apart from that, it is also having disc brake and fork suspension. So in this price range, this Montra Backbeat cycle is best, but it is not available due to COVID situation. You are not able to find this bicycle right now in India. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you have liked this, and please mention in comment which bicycle you are having, and if you are going to purchase, which bicycle you will purchase. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.